Hello children. Yes, I'm here to explain you the unit 4 of second class English, okay? See here, what's the unit for? Snoopy comes to school. What? Snoopy, Snoopy, Snoopy comes to school. Comes, comes, School, school. You know what is school? Yes, what is the school name? Yes, Vande Mataram High School. Yes, so here Snoopy comes to school. See here, look at the picture and answer the given questions. See here, look at the picture. What do you see? See here we have a house, trees, yes or no? So one boy is going somewhere and the dog is following him, right? A puppy, small puppy. What is puppy, children? Yes, the kid of the dog is puppy. So the boy is going somewhere. So the puppy is following him. Where is the boy going? Where is the boy going, children? Yes, the boy is going to maybe school because yes, the boy is going. The boy is going to school because we have bag here. Yes or no? Yes. Children, wait. Train is moving. Okay, wait. Yes, we all know if train moves, we get loud sound, right? Yes, train is moving. Yes, it went away. See here. So the boy is going to school. Yes or no? Yeah, because we have a school bag and and bottle here. We can see. Yes. So why is the puppy following him? Yeah, why the puppy is following him? Because it might be his pet. Yes or no? Pet animal, you know? Yes, పెంచుకుంటాం కదా మనం కుక్కల్ని పిల్లుల్ని. Yes, they are called pet animals, okay? Yes, so it might be his pet animal, so it is following him. Turn the page. Turn the page 38. 38. Right, see here. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. See the picture. Yes, what can you see in the picture? Here there's a woman and there's a boy who is going somewhere. And here dog is tied up. Yes or no? Yes, so where is the boy going? Yes, the boy is going to school. The boy is going to school. What is he saying to his mother? Yes, while you come to school, what you say to your mother? Yes, you say bye, right? Yes, he's also saying bye to his mother. Why is puppy barking? Yes, why is this puppy barking, children? Yes, because the puppy wants to go with this boy. That's why the puppy is barking here, because it is tired up, right? Yes, they tied the puppy. See here. Yes. Your teacher will tell you about Snoopy and Sidhu. Oh, here it means it is Snoopy. He is Sidhu. The boy's name is what? Sidhu. What is the dog's name? Snoopy. That's why the lesson name is Snoopy comes to school. The Snoopy goes to school, I think so. See. Next, open the appendix, children. Last pages. Yes. 99 page number. Page number 99. Open it. Snoopy comes to school. One day, Sidhu was going to school. His pet Snoopy followed him. Children, put your finger on the each and every line what I am reading. Okay. One day, Sidhu was going to school. Okay, one day, who is going to school? Sidhu, the boy is going to school. So what happened? His pet Snoopy followed him. Who is Snoopy? The pet of Sidhu. It is a dog. So the dog's name is Snoopy. Snoopy is also following Sidhu. When Sidhu saw Snoopy, he said, Snoopy, don't come with me. Go home. Yes, if your pet animals follow you, what you say? To go back home, right? So in the same way, Sidhu is also saying to Snoopy that, Snoopy, don't come with me, you go home. Snoopy did not go home, go back. So Snoopy is not listening to Sidhu. Snoopy did not go back. Sidhu shouted, Snoopy, don't come, go back. When Sidhu saw Snoopy and he told Snoopy, don't come with me, go back, but it did not stop. It did not go back. Yes, then Sidhu shouted at Snoopy. What did he say? Snoopy, don't come, go back. Yes, now Snoopy stopped. Now Snoopy stopped. Sidhu started walking again. Now again Sidhu started going to school. Snoopy followed him again. So Snoopy is not listening to Sidhu. Snoopy is not stopping, not going back to the home. It is following only Sidhu. Sidhu caught Snoopy and took it back home. Now what did Sidhu do? Sidhu first told Snoopy not to come back of him, but Snoopy is not listening to Sidhu. So Sidhu caught the Snoopy and took it back to home. Amma, tie Snoopy, said Sidhu. What Sidhu is saying to his mama? Mama, tie Snoopy. Mama, Snoopy katteshei. Mother tied Snoopy. Yo, mother did the same thing. What Sidhu told. Mother tied the Snoopy. Mother Snoopy katteshindi. Snoopy barked, bow, bow, bow. Now how this dog barks? Bow, bow, bow. Yes or no? So when Snoopy's mother tied when Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy, Snoopy is also barking. Murugutundi annamata. Kukka murugutadi kada? Bow, 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 bow ante. Yeah, in the same way, Snoopy is barking. Next, Sidhu went to school. Now, Sidhu came to home to give the Snoopy back to his mother. Mother tied the Snoopy. Then Snoopy started barking. Sidhu went to school. Snoopy was sad. Snoopy was not happy. Why? Because Sidhu went to school without taking Snoopy. He waited for some time. Who waited for some time? Snoopy waited for some time. Mother went inside. Now mother went inside to work. Then Snoopy pulled the chain again and again. Snoopy, what is Snoopy doing? It is pulling the chain again and again. మొత్తం గొలుసుతో కట్టేస్తాం కదా మనం కుక్క గొలుసు తెంపేసుకుంటుంది అనమాట. At last the belt came off. At last what happened? The belt came off. Snoopy started running. ఇదంతా గొలుసులన్నీ తెగగొట్టుకొని Snoopy ఏం చేస్తుంది? It started running. Yes, come on again. Come to this. Yes, 39 page number. 39 page number. See here. Read the following. See, Snoopy comes to school. Now here. See here, children. Sorry, here. We listened to that appendix part, right? Now see. Why did Sidhu's mother tie Snoopy? Why Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy? Because Snoopy is following Sidhu. It is not going back to home, and it wanted to go to school with Sidhu. But it is not allowed, no? Will you bring pets to the school? No, it is not. You should not bring any kind of pet into the school. Okay. So mother tied the Snoopy. Was Snoopy happy? Why did he bark? Was Snoopy happy? No. When mother tied the Snoopy was so sad and started barking. Why it is barking? Why? Because Sidhu is going to school. He went away. That's why the Snoopy is barking. Where was Snoopy going? Yes, it is following Sidhu. So it is going to Sidhu's school. Did he meet Sidhu? We'll see. See here now. Snoopy comes to school. What is the lesson name? Open your mouth and tell. Snoopy comes to school. Snoopy, SNOOPY, Snoopy comes to school. School spelling SCHOOL, school. So here, see, Snoopy comes to school. He wants to see Sidhu. Now Snoopy, the dog, the puppy, the pet, wanted to come to school to see whom? Sidhu. Yes. So here, first, what can you see in the picture? Yes, headmaster. Headmaster in the sense, the head of the school. Here we can see Snoopy. Here we can see headmaster. Snoopy goes to the headmaster's room. Sidhu is not there. Snoopy went to headmaster's room. But he did not find Sidhu. Yes, he did not find Sidhu. So again, where would be Sidhu? Yes, he would be in his class. Yes or no? But the Snoopy first goes to headmaster's room. There he did not find Sidhu. So what did he do? Next, here which class it is? Fifth class. Here there are students, desks, tables, bags, books. They are reading. Snoopy goes to class 5. Sidhu is not there too. Here Snoopy is going to class 5. Here we have class 5. Snoopy is going to class 5. But here also Sidhu is not there. Then here, what it is? Class 4. Here also. See here Snoopy, there are children reading. There are no desks for 4th class. See here. Children are reading. They are holding books. So Snoopy goes to class 4. Sidhu is not even there. Not there even. Snoopy first went to headmaster's room. Did he find Sidhu? Yes, no, Sidhu was not present in headmaster's room. Again it went to 5th class. Did he find Sidhu there? No. Again he went to 4th class. Here there is no Sidhu. Turn the page. 40. Here, class 3. See here, children are doing some activity. Here we have teacher here. Snoopy. Snoopy goes to class 3. He does not find Sidhu there also. Snoopy looks sad. Now here Snoopy went to Sidhu's to see Sidhu, right? It goes to class 3. He goes to class 3. So there also he did not find Sidhu. It looked so sad. Okay. Next, Snoopy. Here you see. Here we have Sidhu. So here Snoopy goes to class 2. He finds Sidhu sitting there. Snoopy is happy. And now again he goes to class 2 where he finds Sidhu. So which class he is studying? Sidhu is studying in 2nd class. Like you people, you are also studying in 2nd class, right? Which class are you studying in? Yes, you are studying in 2nd class. Yes, so here Sidhu is also studying in 2nd class. When Snoopy goes to 2nd class, he saw Sidhu and he saw Sidhu sitting there and he was happy. He goes to Sidhu and sits beside him. See, he goes to Sidhu and sits beside him. Snoopy poyi Sidhu pakkaki kurchuntundi. The children laughed. All children laughed. Sidhu says, friends, he is my pet Snoopy. I love him very much. Now Sidhu is telling that, friends, see here, this is my pet animal whose name is Snoopy. I love my Snoopy very much. You also, if you have pets, you too love them, right? Yes, in the same way, Sidhu is introducing the Snoopy to their friends by saying that Snoopy is my pet animal. I love him so much. Sidhu's friends give some biscuits to Snoopy. Dogs eat biscuits, right? So the friends of Sidhu give some biscuits to Snoopy. Snoopy ate that biscuits. See, biscuits. 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 Okay. Yes. By this we have finished our lesson. What do you understand by the lesson? Snoopy comes to school. So Snoopy is following Sidhu. So here he is Sidhu. This is Snoopy. Snoopy is following Sidhu. But Sidhu don't want to take Snoopy to his school. So he took the Snoopy and came back to home. Mom tied the Snoopy. Then he went away to school. But Snoopy, what does it do? Yes, it pulled the chain over and over, and the chain, yes, at last the belt came off. Then it started running back of Sidhu again. So first it goes to our headmaster's room. There he couldn't find Sidhu. Then he goes to class 5. There also he can't see Sidhu. Then he goes to class 4. There also he doesn't find any Sidhu. Then he goes to class 3. He was so sad that he does not find Sidhu here. Then at last he goes to class 2. There he can find he finds Sidhu sitting down. Then it felt so happy after looking Sidhu, and then it went to Sidhu, sat beside him, and then Sidhu, he's telling to his friends that, hi friends, this is my pet animal, its name is Snoopy, and I love my Snoopy very much. Okay, then Sidhu's friends gave some biscuits to Snoopy.